Today I only gonna fix the worst mistakes I made. This obviously isn't gonna be a masterpiece. We're not gonna dabble into coloring. She looks like Sid the Sloth. Why does she look like Sid the Sloth? It's because she has almost no forehead. Her face is too long. Her eyes are way too high on the face. Her nose bridge is almost on the same level as her upper eyelids. And she has sausage lips. Sausage lips is when you draw an oval for the mouth. It looks like it's made of two sausages. It lacks Cupid's bow and it lacks corners. It makes your characters look like clowns. It made my characters look like clowns when I was a beginner. Also, when some people do makeup and they do ridiculous overline to their lips, it also looks like sausage mouth. So if you ever thought, wow, I look stupid with lipstick on, this might be the reason. Don't outline your corners to that degree. She looks like someone turned on a flashlight in front of her and she wasn't prepared. How to fix that? Human eyes aren't exactly round. Eyelids should cover part of her irises. Her pupils are too small. And her eyelashes are looking upwards. Her right ear slid down her head. Some of those mistakes could be easily avoided by one easy trick. Determining proportions before drawing character themselves. It works for both second eye syndrome and disconnected joints and also the floating head syndrome. So what is the floating head syndrome? Is when we draw without a sketch, without the proportions first thing, and we end up with a huge head because we do not know what to do with the body. Thus the name floating head syndrome. She has a very, very pointy chin, which humans obviously don't have. Draw a horizontal line to determine the width of her chin and connect to where the cheeks would be. Holy gophers! Her entire hair is drawn with chicken scratches. Chicken scratches is a type of irregular line which looks very messy. Many beginner artists use chicken scratches. Her hair has no volume and barely has any shape. Her neck is too thin. Her shoulders are too square. Her arms are very short. Elbows in humans are usually on the same height as the waist. Rake finger syndrome is when all the fingers are the same length. So usually they're very short, they look stumpy, they look obviously like a rake. In humans, third finger is the longest and second longest is the ring finger. Obviously, I'm not gonna leave her hands in the final drawing. I'm gonna extend her arms. I'm currently making fan art of the Beatles and think whether or not should I join the Beatles fandom. Don't have any volume, and lower part of her top looks like a baguette. Gravity exists. Here's the final drawing. She's still not perfect, but it's definitely an improvement upon what we had at first. I wish you good luck on your art journey. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below.